Got a temper in her bones, rolls like thunder when she's heading down the road. Got that mean streak, yeah, she'll let you know who's boss. Cross her line once and you'll learn about the cost. But she moves with purpose, steady through the fight. A steel spine woman cut from a river and night. She ain't built for quitting, she ain't built for soft. She stared down a storm just to show you she's tough. Under blue Kentucky skies, she's burning her way through. Yeah, she's a wild woman, and she'll break you in two. She's been renamed, reborn, carried stories in her wake, wears every scar like a promise she won't break. Pushing through the current with a stubborn kind of grace, she'll drag you forward even when you're out of place. She's a river woman, forged in diesel and grit. If you ain't strong enough, she'll tell you when to quit. She ain't built for quitting, she ain't built for soft. She'll stare down a storm just to show you she's tough. Under blue Kentucky skies, she's burning her way through. Yeah, she's a wild one, and she'll break you in two.